This is a Dewsbury to Ope. Needing to get his finger out because we were chased down by a Voyager through Sheffield and Door. The green to Derby RTC. Clapham Junction, Willesden, up North London line, Kentish Town, onto East Coast Main Line at Finsbury, somewhere around Finsbury Park, up to just south of Doncaster, takes the avoider from the south through Exthorpe Sidings, down through Mexborough, Swinton, Sheffield and onto Derby. Class 43 high-speed train cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. About 6 minutes between Chesterfield and South Whitfield. Doncaster up decoy to Towton North Yard. Why it didn't go via Alfred, I don't know. Edinburgh Plymouth high-speed train cross-country service. Doncaster Belmont to Tinsley, taking the line through Swinton. '66 111. Class 66 running early from Tinsley. '66 142. Tyseley Steam Trust to Bowness, Scotland. This is a Derby to Derby network rail train. Go up to Chesterfield, stop there, go back down to Derby, then back up through Chesterfield non-stop, up to Barrett Hill, back down to Chesterfield, stop. Barrow Hill, LIP to Burton Wetmore Sidings. This is a Masborough to Felixstowe North. So 150 to Sheffield, Leeds. Negotiate